Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to add dollar sign in Microsoft Excel, a useful trick that saves time and ensures consistency. Let's get started. Imagine you have an Excel file with numbers. You want to add dollar signs to all these numbers and include cents, like .00 at the end. Sometimes cells might not allow you to directly insert a dollar sign. But don't worry, I'll cover that too. To begin, if it's specific cells you're targeting, simply select them. For an entire column, right-click on the column letter to select all cells. Then navigate to Format Cells. Now in the Format Cells window, head to the Number tab. Look for Currency. It's usually the third option on the top left. Click on it. Here comes the customization. Set decimal places to 2 for cents. Choose your preferred currency symbol, in this case a dollar sign. Once done, hit OK. And we see that all your values are transformed into currencies. For example, 2.5 becomes $2.50, showing correctly. That's it for this quick tutorial. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content like this.